I'm Savanabalaji here, and this is VisualForge AI. Computer science students often struggle with abstract concepts like BST insertion, DFA transition, SQL joins, and DBMS normalization because they are taught as theory, not as something we can actually see. Students doesn't fail because concepts are hard; they fail because concepts stay invisible. So we built VisualForge AI, a Gemini-powered concept visualization engine that helps students learn by seeing concepts happen step by step using Google Gemini. So our problem statement. Most students memorize theory of computations, DBMS and DSA for exams without truly understanding them, which reflects they have weak fundamentals, poor interview performance, fear during placements. We wanted to solve that. So instead of long, boring text explanations, Visual Forge AI converts concepts into step by step visual simulations, interactive learning controls, live explanations from Gemini, real world application understanding. It feels like learning simulator. This is not a chatbot. So, example, let's get into DSA by BST in session. So, I select binary search tree in session. Now, Gemini generates the visualization steps. Here you can see the real world applications. As I click next, students can see exactly how tree grows without overlapping nodes using our visualization engine. This makes concepts instantly understandable. And here too, I have a deeper explanations. Now let's get into TOC, theory of computations. So let's select DFA ends, strings ends with 0, 1. Instead of memorizing transition, students can visually follow the how states change and how accepting states works, showing accepting state plus arrows. This reduce learning completely, and here too I have a real world applications cuts and a deeper explanation. This reduce rote learning completely. Now database management and systems. Now we built a full in browser engine with zero dependency. Like if I type table, as I type, results update live, and Gemini explains the query after a short delay. Mhm. Like here we see an example. So students don't just write SQL, they understand why it works. This is a, we are also planning to add an understanding meter that tracks student engagement and concept completion. This gives measurable learning feedback instead of passive learning. And every concept also connects to real world industry use cases like DFA compiler design, BSD search engines, SQL joins, e-commerce systems. This helps students connect theory with actual engineering. Gemini is the brain of the system. It handles concept understanding, step generation, adaptive explanations, explain more live support, SQL query explanation, DSA live playground generation. Gemini is not an add-on, it's the core engine. VisualForge AI transforms invisible theory into visible understanding. We are not helping students memorize concepts, we are helping them finally to understand them. This is VisualForge AI. Thank you.